Hello! In this video, I am going to show you the before and after of one of my latest apartments that I have renovated. So watch until the end of this video to see the great change in this apartment. Well, this apartment is located here in Medellín in the Provenza area. I bought this apartment at an excellent price because it was extremely dark and closed off. This transformation is truly remarkable, and I am excited to share every detail with you. The apartment was initially in a very poor state, lacking natural light and feeling quite cramped. However, with some thoughtful design choices and renovations, it has been completely transformed into a bright and open space that is both inviting and functional. Previously, we had what was the living room in this space over here. We had all these walls that closed off the entire kitchen area. There was a wall with a horrible gate because the previous owners living here were very afraid. So they had this awful gate and a sort of balcony here. So what we decided to do was remove this wall here and that wall over there to create a very large space. I decided to place the window over there to avoid having one window and another window. Some people like it, others do not. Then, in this part over here, as I mentioned, we had a lot of walls. There was a wall here, and over there was a maid's room. So what we decided to do was demolish this entire part here to create a giant kitchen connected to the whole social area. In that part over there, we previously had some bathrooms. So I left the social bathroom there. And we had 3 bedrooms. The master located over there, and 2 bedrooms in this part. What we decided to do was demolish those 2 bedrooms and create a large master. And the room here, that was another master, which was the original master, I left as a secondary master, where I arranged everything related to dressing and the bathrooms. Okay, so I am going to explain the before and after of how this room was and how it turned out. Previously, there was a super dark room here, and we had another room over here. So what we did was demolish the wall we had here to create a super large master. In this part, we designed everything. Obviously making a complete change in the design because I wanted to bring in indirect lighting, general light, and specific lights in the nightstand area. So what we did here was demolish this part. There used to be a super horrible gate here and a very small window. So I demolished this entire wall to make a super large door that connects to this balcony, which is the really cool part of the bedroom because you are right in Provenza. I mean, right in front, there is a bar that is super amazing. So the idea is that when you are here, you are almost in the bar. So you are here with all your friends, and if you want, you can cross over. This part here was what first attracted us when buying this apartment. The other thing we did was when we opened up that entire space over there. I put in the sexy shower, which I love to use in all my apartments. Additionally, I added a steam room, and in this part here, we put in 2 sinks. I left the bathroom closed with 1 walk-in closet in this part here, so it turned out to be a super large room for the master bedroom. Okay, now let's go to the other room, and I will explain what I did in this room here. It was the master bedroom, but it was too dark, and it also previously had that window, but it was a bit lower, so I made it a bit larger. Another thing I did was open up here. There used to be a closet, and it made it too dark, so I obviously changed the position and put my 2 sinks there. Here, I put the open shower again, like the sexy shower. And here I made what is the toilet, and here I put the closet. You will see the before and after photos to see the whole difference of what I did. Another thing I also did was put in a lot of lighting so that this room doesn't remain too dark when you close it. I hope you like this video. Leave me your comments. Don't forget to like and share it with your friends, and click on the bell so you are always updated on our latest videos. And that was just all.